Human error has allowed for invasive species to invade Australia. These species include the fox, rabbits, the cane toad, and various others. As humans spread around the landscape, we create roads to aid in travel. This also allows for invasive species to abuse this. However, a native species can also be an invasive species, and this occurs due to human interaction with the landscape. The Indian myna, commonly known as the common myna or called the flying cane toad in Queensland, is a common invasive species in New South Wales, ranked in the top 100 worst invasive species by the Invasive Species Specialist Group. Currently, the distribution of the Indian myna ranges across the east coast of Australia. Many people confuse the Indian myna with the noisy myna, which is a native species native to many regions of Sydney and New South Wales. Originating in India and parts of the eastern world, it was introduced to Australia in 1862 to stop the cane beetle and insects in local gardens. This would result in a failure and a headache for farmers. They found the produce in the area better than the insects. Farmers are frustrated by the Indian myna as they decimate the produce in the area. This caused the farmers to stand against this threat. Aid also came from local governments which formed community groups in order to deal with this threat, such as the Hawkesbury Indian Myna Action Group or the Canberra Indian Myna Action Group. In 2006, the Indian myna was the third most numerous bird species in Canberra. However, due to the actions of the Canberra Indian Myna Action Group, they have lowered this to the 20th most common bird species in 2012. The Indian myna is a major detriment to the local ecology as it competes aggressively against animals in the area. The Indian myna takes the nesting habitat of native species. Common nesting areas include holes in trees, established nests, areas in buildings, and exotic trees. To take nesting areas from other species, the Indian myna resorts to destroying eggs from different bird species and general bullying. This has led to some native species to become threatened as a result. On the positive side, a study by the Queensland Government has found that the Indian myna has yet to truly invade eucalyptus and dense forests, as native species such as the Australian magpie and noisy myna are doing a great job of keeping them out. As humans, we learn from our mistakes, and this was one big mistake that we are not going to repeat. In the end, it will be human intervention that will remove this pest. Thank you for watching this video.